Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Gemini to MetaMask in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates, as crypto evolves fast. First things first, make sure you have both a Gemini account and MetaMask wallet set up. If you don't, head over to their websites and create one. It's free and easy. Once you're logged into MetaMask, select the Ethereum network since USDT is an ERC20 token. Click on Add Token, search for USDT, and add it to your wallet. Now, copy your MetaMask wallet address. That's the key to this whole transfer. Next, log into your Gemini account. Navigate to the Withdraw section, usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. Select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll see an option to enter a wallet address. Paste the one you copied from MetaMask. Double-check that it's correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Set the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum withdrawal limits Gemini might have in 2025, typically around $10 or so. Before you hit Confirm, review the network fee. Since we're dealing with Ethereum, gas fees could vary, so transfer during off-peak times to save some cash. Once you're ready, click Withdraw, and Gemini will process your request. You'll get a confirmation email, and the USDT should appear in your MetaMask wallet within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your USDT. Remember, always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to keep your assets safe. If you run into any issues, check the help sections on Gemini or MetaMask. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you in the next video.